All right.
Here we go. So, you know, Skywing makes it really easy for us to put things together. So, one of the first things to do, shove that in there. We've already pulled out the pins and put the switches, I'll call them switches for now, or latches down. This then gets slid into place, okay, like that. And then that goes in place. Now I'm gonna lift this up so you can see what I'm doing. That, and then
Oh, they lock it.
and this locks in place right here. Done. Now we do the other side. So simple, huh? Here,
Yeah.
put that down.
Yeah, let me get over to the other side.
Okay. Again, we'll do the same thing here.
Okay, so now
These
we're all
are
watching
down.
what Joe's doing here.
Yeah. Slide this on. Okay, it slides anti-rotation pins and everything there. Oops.
Oh.
Make sure that's slid down, and then we'll watch this. Click, click. There. And this one. Now we're done.
Yeah,
It
beautiful.
took what?
Not
minute.
even 2 minutes.
All right, thanks guys. We'll be back shortly.